This whole incident was a great example of irresponsible media, irresponsible politicians, and irresponsible public authorities who didn't give the right information. Should I call it a tragic incident or a disaster? Let's see how it all started. On 30th May, Mohan Krishnan, who is known to be the forest officer of Palakkad district, he posted an emotional Facebook post describing that how an elephant is found dead after somebody fed her pineapple which was stuffed with crackers. Within no time, the post went viral and people started sharing it. Everyone got emotional with the story. Each and every social media page picked up the story describing how painful the death was, how insensitive the humanity has become. There were a lot of cartoons coming up. Everyone was just talking about this incident. The whole social media was filled up with hashtag animal cruelty, all life matters, and whatnot. Everywhere you can see the posts shared by people, whether it's in the form of cartoon or the news. Everyone felt sad about the whole incident. Not only social media, but our mainstream media also promptly picked up the story as it was sensational, as it was very sensitive, dramatic. They picked up the story.
केरल में एक प्रेग्नेंट हथनी के साथ टॉर्चर का एक मामला सामने आया है। हथनी ने एक अनानास खाया था जिसमें बहुत से पटाखे भरे हुए थे और उसे वो अनानास वहाँ के कुछ लोगों द्वारा दिया गया था। हथनी के मुंह में ही ये अनानास फट गया जिसकी वजह से उसका मुंह बुरी तरह से जख्मी हो गया।
After eating a pineapple stuffed with crackers, allegedly placed by some locals.
This was not enough. Let's see how our minister reacted to it.
ये मल्लापुरम जो है वो एक ऐसा डिस्ट्रिक्ट है जो पूरे देश में शायद सबसे ज़्यादा डिस्टर्ब्ड है, जो रोज़ के रोज़ एक ना एक कांड मल्लापुरम से निकलता है। ये जानवरों को तो मारते ही मारते हैं। वहाँ के पंचायत लोग हाथियों को ही नहीं, वो जहर फेंक देते हैं। हज़ारों जानवर एक साथ मर जाते हैं, चिड़ियों को मारते हैं, कुत्तों को मारते हैं। वहाँ रोज़ के रोज़ मारा पीटी होती है। इतने सारे औरतों को मार चुके हैं। ये हिंदू मुस्लिम लड़ाई करके लोगों के बाजू काट देते हैं। बहुत भयानक स्थिति है।
Whether it was Maneka Gandhi's quote, which was making and giving it a communal angle and actually degrading a state, actually talking about Kerala, its literacy, the crime happening there. So this was a limit wherein you are taking an incident which was really sad to a level of communalizing. You are defaming a state, you are talking ill about the state and the people. After looking at all this, I decided to do the fact check about the whole story. Now, so the first fact we'll talk about what is the whole incident.
The pregnant elephant in Kerala was not intentionally fed with pineapple filled with firecrackers by someone. It accidentally ate the explosive snare that was kept to ward off wild boars to protect the crops. As there was no proof of the elephant having consumed an explosive filled with pineapple.
The second thing very important to do the fact check was where exactly it happened.
Dhanya Rajendran, senior journalist, tweeted the exact location where the incident happened, as there was a lot of political controversy going over the place, whether it was in Malappuram or Palakkad.
Who is a very big question here. My whole point of this video is who is responsible for this misinformation. Because what happened on the social media and the rage for this particular incident that we are looking at by the topmost people, by the politicians, by the actors, by the celebrities, everyone talking about the cruelty. But who is responsible for this misinformation? The people who are responsible for transforming this tragic incident into a disaster are the forest officer or the public servant who thought that this act was done by a selfish person and it was merciless, as he thought there was no proof to it. Second, I would say media and the journalists who failed to do their basic fact check. Without doing a basic fact check, how can you make a story? How can you report a story? All the big organizations, the reliable media sources actually reported the story just on the basis of a Facebook post. This is irresponsibility of the media. So the media failed big time in this story. General public who amplified this whole incident by sensationalizing and adding on all the emotions to a different level in their own ways. Last but not the least are great politicians who actually use this incident to politicize, communalize, put down a state and whatnot. This whole incident was a great example of irresponsible media, irresponsible politicians, and irresponsible public authorities who didn't give the right information. Emotions are good, but making an emotional fool out of people is not good. It's not acceptable. As people, we are emotional. We will get emotional. We are sharing the post, whether it's Ratan Tata, whether it's Virat Kohli, whether it's you and I. We are sharing it because we felt bad about the incident. But the misleading was done by all these people who actually posted the story, actually put out the story without verifying the fact. And I'm glad that people went ahead and actually found out the fact that this is not the whole story. Nobody purposely fed an elephant with a pineapple which was stuffed with crackers. Maybe it was the farmers who wanted to save their life. So guys, I guess it's a high time that we stop being emotional fooled by the people who play with our emotions, who play with our trust that we put in on the people we follow, we look up to. Hey guys, if you feel that this video was informative, please do hit the like button, share and subscribe.